Look! This cat family goes out for a walk. Then the cat woman picks mushrooms there. And suddenly a storm comes. And it becomes dark due to the storm. And then, scared of the storm, the cat woman goes to the house of the posse with her child. And there they cook mushrooms and eat. And sleep there. Then the haunted house wakes up.
Why are they not back?
And when the policeman goes to look for them when it is too late. Then the sound of the cat woman screaming is heard in the haunted house.
I need help.
Then the policeman calls police vehicles and orders an attack.
Help me!
I need.
And then a helicopter arrives. And the policeman goes inside the house and saves
The
them.
helicopter.
And plants a bomb in the haunted house and blows it up.